One of my favorite products is the Yoni Detox Pearls. It does so many things. It helps with PCOS. It helps with fibroids. It helps with menstrual irregularities. It's one of the things that I started out in this business using to help me actually avoiding a partial hysterectomy. So the Detox Pearls has several different ways that it can be used. I realized that I never did an actual video on how to use them. So when we send out our Yoni Detox Pearls, they come with 3 pearls inside, and 3 pearls is considered 1 cleanse. So what you're to do is you're supposed to insert all 3 pearls into your vagina, and you leave them there for 3 days, and then on the 3rd day you remove them, and then you'll wear a panty liner for the next couple of days, and you'll watch as your womb essentially will detox. So you may see some yeast. I've had people send me pictures of different like fibroids actually removed, and things like that. But I realized that I never actually did a video to show you how to actually use them. So you're gonna get your Yoni Detox Pearl like this. It's gonna have 3 pearls. So I've taken out 1 here. Now you're going to open your pearl. What you can do, as you can see how small they are, they're very, 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 very tiny, very, very tiny, as you can see. You can actually soak them in water, or you can use them straight up. So what you want to do is you want to unravel the string that comes on it. It has a little string. This is your security string. So you're going to stick this string through the applicator. So you're going to unravel your string like this all the way until it can't unravel anymore, and then that is your actual pearl. It's very, very, very tiny. I know sometimes when you say insert 3, sometimes ladies will say like 3, but they're very, very tiny. Now we give you an applicator to help you with insertion of them. So you're going to get an applicator like this, and it has a little cap on there. That's just for your safety. And then you are going to can actually remove the stopper in here. So I'm pushing out the stopper in there, because you want to actually put the pearl in the top and you want the string to hang down. So you will put the string inside the applicator like so. And this is just for 1. And then you'll actually stick the second part of the applicator into the bottom here. Now you'll put this entire applicator into your vagina, and you will push up to release the pearl inside you. Now you'll pull the applicator out, and the string will hang out. So you'll have 1 string hanging out of your vagina. So you'll do that to all 3 pearls here. So you will essentially at the end have 3 inserted pearls and 3 strings hanging out. Now for 3 days you're going to have these strings hanging out, so please be mindful as you're showering, as you're using the restroom. If you have to urinate, you probably want to pull the string, to the back. If you are doing a number 2, if you're defecating, you might want to pull the string to the front, because you don't want to get urine or feces on the string. You want to keep them as clean as possible. When you're showering, the same thing. You don't want to scrub or maybe even use a loofah down there too much. You should be using your hand, but you don't want to use a loofah as to dislodge the string and have it catch on and pull out. So this will be inside you, and then the string will hang out. On the 3rd day, you will pull all 3 out, and you'll discard the pearls. You'll put them in the trash can, wrap them in tissue, put them in the trash can, of course. And then for the next couple of days, you will be undergoing your detox. Sometimes people feel a little bit of cramping. Sometimes I always tell people to eat clean, drink lots of water as you're detoxing. Of course, no sex while you're detoxing. Nothing should be entering into your vagina while you're detoxing. Give yourself about a week to do the process. And then afterwards, you can assess your symptoms or whatever it is that you're going through after the fact. Sometimes you do need more than 1 cleanse. So one package is 1 cleanse. So sometimes you'll need 2 or 3 cleanses, sometimes 4 or 5 cleanses, depending on the nature of the issue that you're trying to combat. So that is your full-on tutorial of the Yoni Detox Pearl.